From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, Central Pennsylvania. I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your CNET forecast. Let's take a look at a time lapse from over Beaver Stadium throughout the day today. You can see we started out rather gloomy and overcast, but since lunchtime has passed, those clouds have moved out of our area. We're left with some beautiful blue skies this afternoon, and that sunshine's helping to raise our temperatures up to around the 80-degree mark. Current temperature here in Happy Valley at 77 degrees. Dew point is a little high, sitting at 68 degrees, so it does feel a little humid and muggy out there. South-southwesterly wind coming in at 11 miles per hour. That's also helping to raise our temperatures up to around the 80-degree mark. Current weather headlines: there's a possibility of some severe storms this evening and overnight tonight, mostly in the western part of the state. I think by the time that line of showers and thunderstorms comes into the central Pennsylvania area, it won't be as strong, so our chance of seeing some severe weather is not as strong as the western part of the state is. But it will feel a little more like fall this weekend. Cold front moving through our area tonight will bring in a lot cooler temperatures, a lot more crisp air, so it will feel more like fall, more like this background that you see here. And showers are in store for next week. Showers and thunderstorms almost every day are expected next week as we get more into an unsettled pattern. Current temperatures across the Commonwealth, it's really a tale of two stories. The western part of the state is in the middle 80s, even up at 91 degrees here in Erie. In the eastern half of the state, however, they're in the middle 70s, even 69 degrees over in Scranton. Now, there's a reason for this if we look at the radar and satellite. The western part of the state has escaped the clouds. They're baking in the sunshine, helping to raise their temperatures up to the middle 80s, even near 90 degrees. While the eastern half of the state is still stuck under the blanket of clouds. You can see those low clouds aren't moving much. The higher clouds are just zooming by them, while the lower clouds kind of stick around in those areas. And that's what's keeping their temperatures down into the middle 70s. Now let's zoom out to the rest of the eastern part of the country. You can see this cold front beginning to develop, this line of clouds moving over the Ohio and Indiana areas right now. And that will develop into a more robust line of showers and thunderstorms a little later this evening and overnight tonight. That's why the Storm Prediction Center does have an enhanced risk for severe weather in the extreme northwestern part of the state, in the Franklin, Bradford, and Erie areas for some gusty winds and heavier downpours possible tonight. Here in the State College area, we're left with a marginal risk of severe weather. Like I said, only a risk of some showers and thunderstorms in our area tonight. So let's take a look at the future weather model. Time this out hour by hour for you. By around 6:30 tonight, that's when that line of showers and thunderstorms will develop up in the northwestern part of the state, affecting areas like Erie. Then moving ahead in time around the 8 o'clock time frame, you can see that line of showers and thunderstorms affecting areas like Bradford and Franklin. And that will move its way towards the Center County area, affecting State College and the Center County area around 10:30 tonight. Now keep in mind the terrain in Center County is filled with ridges and valleys, so that will help to break up this line of showers and thunderstorms and make it a little weaker. So by the time it's exiting our area, it's not as put together. By around 12:30 on Saturday morning, that the showers and thunderstorms should come to an end in our area, move more towards the southeastern part of the state. Saturday will start off mostly sunny, and those higher clouds will filter into our area, but a much more comfortable day for the day on Saturday. Now, we can also see this cold front moving through our area by looking at the future weather model for temperatures. You can see a lot cooler behind the cold front as it makes its way through the state. So by the time you're waking up on Saturday morning, temperatures in the lower 50s here in the Center County area. And also with the cold front, the dew points drastically change. So as we look at our dew points later tonight, a little bit more humid in the ahead of the cold front in the eastern half of the state. But behind that cold front, it's a lot less humid. Dew points in the 50s. Once you get a dew point over 60, especially over 65 degrees, that's when it starts feeling a lot more humid and muggy out there. So the cold front will make its way through the state, and then on Saturday morning, those dew points will be around the 50-degree mark, feeling a lot more comfortable and less humid out there. So your forecast for tonight, a low of 57 degrees with those evening and overnight thunderstorms. Tomorrow we'll reach a high temperature of 65 degrees, mixture of sun and clouds, a lot more comfortable, a lot less humid for the day on Saturday. And now here's your official CNET 7-day forecast. Feeling a lot more like fall on Sunday, and appropriately so. Sunday is the first full day of fall. We'll only reach a high temperature of 66 degrees. Also take notice of these lows around the 50-degree mark on both Saturday and Sunday night. Monday, rain expected overnight on Monday and into Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-60s on both Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, we could see a few of those scattered thunderstorms in our area. Temperature reaching the 71-degree mark, so a little bit warmer for the midweek of next week. And then Thursday, we dry out with a mixture of sun and clouds and a temperature around 66 degrees. For CNET, I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great weekend.